Welcome back to the Auto Dynamic. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about camper motorhomes of the upcoming year, the 2026 American Eagle 4X4. This machine isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling home built for adventure, luxury, and off-road confidence. From the outside, the American Eagle makes a bold first impression. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic lines, a wide stance, and reinforced 4x4 underpinnings that immediately tell you this isn't limited to paved highways. With high ground clearance, rugged all-terrain tires, and skid plates underneath, this motorhome is ready to take on rocky trails, muddy back roads, and snowy passes without hesitation. Step inside, and you'll see why the Eagle lives up to its name. The interior is spacious, elegant, and loaded with tech. We're talking premium materials, panoramic windows for natural light, and an open-plan layout that feels more like a luxury apartment than a camper. The kitchen is equipped with modern induction cooktops, smart refrigeration, and even a convection oven. The living area comes with modular seating, hidden storage solutions, and a digital entertainment hub that syncs seamlessly with mobile devices. Performance-wise, the 2026 Eagle is built on a powerful diesel hybrid platform, offering both efficiency and torque. The engine delivers enough muscle to handle steep climbs, while the hybrid system ensures quiet operation and reduced fuel consumption during long trips. Combined with intelligent all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and multiple drive modes, the Eagle adapts to just about any terrain. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed either. The bedroom features a full queen-size bed with climate-controlled memory foam, while the bathroom offers a rainfall shower, rare for a vehicle in this class. Energy independence is also a highlight, with roof-mounted solar panels, a high-capacity lithium battery pack, and an onboard water purification system, making off-grid living a real possibility. What sets the American Eagle apart is the balance between rugged capability and refined luxury. Most campers force you to choose between comfort and adventure, but this one delivers both in a single package. For anyone looking to explore the world without leaving behind the feeling of home, the 2026 American Eagle 4X4 makes a serious case. It's not just about getting to your destination, it's about enjoying every mile of the journey along the way. That's our look at the new American Eagle. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you take this beast off-grid, or keep it parked in luxury RV resorts? Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest in motorhomes and automotive innovation, right here on the Auto Dynamic.